Could-have-been house is a place for you to grow, to plan for your future. But even that could be taken away just as soon.
I'm standing on business.
I started this shit brick by brick. It's my shit. Ownership over all these motherfuckers. Could have been take over the world. Could have been take over the world!
God damn, this shit got me feel like I'm on a fucking roller coaster. I feel that shit. God damn. Damn steering wheel so goddamn loose, you got a constant hold this motherfucker. Man, this motherfucker bouncing so much it make my balls get tight. God damn.